In Nigeria and across sub-Saharan Africa, farmers are the backbone of our food systems. But accessing affordable, disease-free, high-quality planting materials is a challenge, leading to poor yields, crop failures, and missed opportunities. At Eco Farms and Agro Services, we believe every farmer deserves a fair chance to succeed. That's why we created the Eco Farms and Agro Nursery Services, a home for stronger beginnings, a sanctuary where tiny green lives awaken, nurtured with care to grow into the promise of tomorrow. A nursery where seedlings aren't just plants, they are dreams taking roots. Here, we grow more than plants. We grow hope, disease-free, affordable, and high-quality seedlings, ready to transform your fields. Our nursery operates on a market-driven production protocol, ensuring we prioritize your needs and deliver on schedule. We've developed strong management techniques that guarantee uniformity, robustness, rapid growth, and easy establishment in your fields. All our nursery products arrive ready to plant, reducing your risks and boosting your success. Plus, we deploy local field advisors to your farm, providing hands-on guidance to ensure efficiency, optimal results, and thriving crops. From vegetables to farming estates, we deliver seedlings that grow faster, stronger, and produces more yield. With the Eco Farms and Agro Nursery Services, you're not just buying seedlings, you're investing in abundance, in sustainability, and in your farm's future. Grow with Eco Farms Nursery Services, affordable, reliable, and sustainable. Ready to elevate your farming? Contact us at ecofarmsandagroservices.com or call us on 090-6150-1575 or 0811-6478-149. Or you can send us an email at hello@ecofarmsandagroservices.com or simply follow us on social media at Eco Farms and Agro for tips, success stories, and exclusive offers. Let's grow together, affordably and reliably.